How to fix could not connect to iCloud. This phone number cannot be used at this time error. If you're seeing the error could not connect to iCloud, this phone number cannot be used at this time, don't worry. Today I'll walk you through how to fix it step by step, so let's get started. First things first, ensure you have a stable internet connection. Try connecting to a Wi-Fi network or check your mobile data to make sure it's working properly. Sometimes a poor connection can prevent iCloud from connecting. Next, restart your iPhone. Simply turn it off, wait for about 30 seconds, and then turn it back on. This can help refresh any background processes and fix minor issues, including iCloud connectivity problems. Next, let's check if you're running the latest version of iOS. Just go to Settings and on General, tap on Software Update. If there's a pending update, tap Download and Install. Updating your iPhone ensures you have the latest bug fixes and security improvements, which may resolve iCloud issues. Another quick fix is to sign out and sign back into iCloud. Just go to your name and simply scroll down until you find an option that says Sign Out. After signing out, wait a few seconds, then sign back in using your Apple ID. This can help resolve any temporary glitches with iCloud connectivity. Now let's check Apple ID settings. Just go to your Apple ID, sign in and security. And make sure two-factor authentication is enabled and that your phone number is correct. Sometimes iCloud will block certain numbers, especially if there are changes or discrepancies with your Apple ID. Lastly, simply contact Apple support. And there you have it. You should now be able to fix the could not connect to iCloud error.